One, two, 1, 2, 3, go! Good morning, everyone. Teacher Fred is here. I hope you are ready to take your classes today. But before I start, I just want to remind you that you are about to learn something new today. But before we start learning, try to listen to the music just real quick and tell yourself, I am ready to learn today. Tell it now, because I am ready to teach you as well today. All right, thank you so much. That's just to warm you up actually. It's really early in the morning and I'm so thankful that you are watching my video today. I have this one here. I prepared something for you. It says here adding your exercise points. Surely you are all good at adding already, but I'm not really so sure how good you are in exercising. Do you exercise a lot? Maybe every day, or maybe twice a day, or every other day. I don't really know. But this time we're going to learn your stamina. How long can you last when exercising? Hmm? Do you exercise for a minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes? We'll check that out. But you will only be able to check yourself if you will do the exercise or the activities later on. Okay, and I'm so excited to help you out with this. So let's move on. Here, it's not just you who's going to do something because I'm going to do something as well here. The teacher will do jumping jack twice within 20 seconds. So I'm going to play my counter later on for 20 seconds. The teacher shall fill in the data by counting how many was he able to make. Okay, so I'm going to put it here later on how many I was able to make. So I will do jumping jack for the first try and then second try, and I will count. That's gonna be within 20 seconds. Okay, and then you're going to count my video because I'm going to video myself doing the jumping jacks here. How many jumping jacks was your teacher able to make in all? So you're going to count. Okay, all right, so watch me doing it here. This is gonna be my first try doing the jumping jacks, and you're going to count. Okay, so let's do it. This is okay, so that is my first try. So this time let's do my second try. Let's see if I will be able to make it because I'm tired already. So let's do the second try. So I'll stop there. So I want you to count the first try and then put it on the table, and then how many jumping jacks did I do on the second try and put it on the table. Okay, see you later on. There you go. That was really fun and it made me very tired. So here, you're going to count and put the numbers later on here, okay? Because I've uploaded an worksheet on Class Dojo, and you will put my exercises. How many did I do on the first try and then on the second try? Now here, look at this. How did mathematics help the teacher in his exercise? That is my question here with you. How did mathematics help the teacher in his exercise? I'm going to put this as well on your worksheet so that you're going to write down how mathematics helped me with my exercise. Habits of mine in math is striving for accuracy. Now, how did teacher strive for accuracy in his exercise points? What did I use? By the way, just for you to know, while I was doing my exercise, I have my timer. Okay, so because I want to make sure that I did exercise for 20 seconds, I want to be accurate. So I used a timer. So you're going to write your answers later on. How did teachers strive for accuracy in his exercise points? And then I video myself so that I could count. So I use my phone as well so that I could video and make sure that I counted the right jumping jacks a while back. Now let's go to investigating my stamina in exercising. So this time you're going to investigate. When we say investigate, you're going to check. And again, my stamina, the stamina is how long do you last in exercising? Is it 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes? We're going to check that out later on. Okay, so you'll do the 3 exercises as well. Now I have a problem here. What will be the problem if we do not exercise? Think about that. Now you're going to answer this as well on the worksheet that I've uploaded later on. You'll see that. Exercise points. Do the exercises twice within 15 seconds for each. So you will do first try and second try. So the first try 15 seconds, second try 15 seconds as well. Now you want to strive for accuracy, you can use a timer so that you will know that it's 15 seconds. Now here, when you do the jumping jacks, you will count by 1. And sit-ups, this one, you will count by 2. And for push-ups, you will count by 5. This one, by 5. And then for the first 15 seconds, how many push-ups? The second 15 seconds, how many push-ups? First sit-ups, how many push-ups? You write it there. Second, how many push-ups, like that. Okay? So let's do it now. You can actually pause the video right now and you can do it now. Come on. Alright, are you doing it? Do you want a timer? I can actually use my timer. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Be ready, so we will do it all as a class. Okay, so we will do with the jumping jacks first. And let me pull up my class dojo here so that you will still see. If I said go, you will go for the jumping jacks first try, okay? So, wait. Alright, so let's go to the jumping jack. You know what is a jumping jack, right? This one. This one, okay? So let's do it. So ready, go. Come on. So my music is playing. Thumbs up. Okay, so that is the first try. Now write it down first on a notebook. How many jumping jacks did you make? Now let's go to the second try, okay? Let's go to the second try. Are you ready? Ready, get set, go. Okay, very good. So write it down for the second try. How many jumping jacks did you make for the second try? Write it down there. How about in the sit-ups? Now let's go to the sit-ups, okay? For the first try, 15 seconds again. I will go to class dojo back again. Ready, get set, go. Wait, ready, get set, go. Count it. You're going to count by 2. Time's up. Okay, so please write it down. How many sit-ups? Okay, let's go to the second try. Wait for my go signal. Ready, get set, go. Count by 2. Thumbs up. All right. So write it down. How many sit-ups? This time we will go to the first try of push-ups, but you're going to do counting by 5. How many push-ups can you make in the first 15 seconds? Let's go. Ready, get set, go. Count by 5. Alright, time's up. Write it down. How many did you make in the first try? Let's go to the second try. Are you ready? Push-ups, okay? 15 seconds. Ready, get set, go. Count by 5. Alright, there, time's up. Now we have the data, so you just write down for the second try in the push-ups, okay? Now let's go to our next one. This don't worry, because we're going to answer this in your worksheet. I've uploaded it on Class Dojo. You can print it and you can copy later on, okay? Now it's time to add. How many jumping jacks? Look at this. If you need to add the 2, okay? Add the 2, add the first try and the second try, and you're going to put it here. It says there, sum of your points. So how many jumping jacks in all? How many sit-ups in all? And how many push-ups in all? That's what you're going to do in your worksheet later on. Let's wrap it up. Conclusion. Again, conclusion is like what you've learned. So, therefore, that's the meaning of conclusion. How was your exercise stamina by looking at your points? Look at your points in here. How are they? So you can say your stamina. It's how long you last. So by just looking at your stamina here, how many jumping jacks can you do in 15 seconds? By just looking at that, or the sit-ups, or the push-ups. Do you think your stamina is good because you were able to do many jumping jacks? Or do you think your stamina is poor or not that good because you're not able to do a lot of points? So you can use this. It was because, so my stamina is because something like that. But you can use this as well, okay? It was meaning your stamina. How was your exercise stamina by looking at your points? How was it? It was bad, it was good, it was great, because. And then let's go to the TEQ, topical essential question. How did mathematics help you understand your exercise stamina? This time, how did mathematics help you understand your exercise stamina? How did mathematics help you understand how your body is when it comes to exercising? Something like that. How did mathematics help you? You're going to think of an answer. You're going to write that on your worksheet, and you're going to send it to me through Class Dojo. Okay? So let me go back. So that is our topic for today, adding your exercise points. And I will need you to answer all these questions that I've already uploaded on Class Dojo. Again, if you have some questions, teacher will always be there online. You can message me, teacher, I need to call you. So that when I see it, there you go, I'll just open my Zoom and you can ask me the question. Okay? Alright, so see you during our Zoom session later on. Enjoy!